Hey there and welcome back. In our last video, we managed to implement the gradient text. During this video, we will enhance our loading bar to increase with a smooth transition and also render the current loading progress. Stay with me until the end and you'll be amazed by the result. Before starting, I do need you to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's all I'm asking in exchange for such videos. Thanks a lot and let's start. First thing we want to do is to change the base loader to return a double as a progress. Then we will introduce a new interface to update the loader and I'll explain the usage a bit later. Then we do have to propagate these changes to the loader. We will change the progress to be double and we will introduce a variable called desired progress. I will initialize it in the constructor. Next step is to implement a private method to set the desired progress. Instead of setting the progress to a fixed value, we will call this new method. I will change the approach a bit to set the desired progress before executing the loading step. You can play with these values, but I'll assign 60% for the assets loading because this is usually the most time consuming. In the update method, if the progress is smaller than the desired progress, we will set the progress to the minimum between progress plus time multiplied with 100 and the desired progress. The idea is we don't want for the progress to move directly to that value but gradually increase until it reaches the desired progress. The retrieve time is in milliseconds, so by multiplying it by 100, we will make sure the loading takes at least 1 second. The reason why I've implemented it in this way is I don't want for the loading screen to be rendered just shortly and the user won't even understand what is going on, but this is just a personal preference. There is nothing wrong with the loading bar, but I do want to change it a bit. The second point will start from the first one and it will move to the right based on the progress. In this way, you always make sure the second point is on the right side of the first one. Because of that, we do have to adjust our constants. I will also add some constants for the loading percentage text, adjust the loading message position and the text font ratio. Again, you can play with these values to get the desired result. Everything is prepared, so let's create our percentage text as a gradient text. I will initialize it in the constructor in the same way as we did for the loading message. Next step is to render and resize the loading percentage text. And finally, the update routine. First step which we have to do is to update the loader so it increases the percentage value. Then, pass the progress to the progress text. We will round the progress, convert it to a string and add the percentage character. For the loading bar, the conversion to double is not needed anymore because the interface already returns a double. I will make some room to make sure the emulator is visible and hit the up restart. As you can see, the progress bar is gradually increased until it reaches the maximum. Along with that, the progress value is being shown and it is synchronized with the progress bar. I hope you enjoyed the result as much as I do. And that's it guys. If you enjoyed the video, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to answer to all of you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I do post a new video. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers!